dog is barking. Ah, dang. What's up, YouTube? My name is Kiki and you're watching Kiki with the news. So for today, news flash. We're gonna be doing a different type of video. Normally I do like reports of the news, but I was like, you know what? I want to do something different. I want to switch it up. So I figured, you know what? I'm gonna do something that I do use in my everyday life. And I'm at work all day. I work in a restaurant business and I have to dress up. And so whenever I'm out, I'm always wearing like really pretty nails. And I always get compliments from customers, even my coworkers. They're like, hey, like, I love your nails. Like, what did you get them done? Like, they look really good. And I'm like, oh, by the way, they're not real. And they're like, what do you mean? I'm like, I don't get them done. They're glue-on nails. I've been using these nails way before COVID, okay? I'm all about balling on a budget, okay? And through the pandemic, I started seeing more people like, you know, do the glue-on nails. And I'm like, I've been there, done that way before y'all. But y'all just now get into the game. I've been on it, okay? So yes, I buy these from you can buy this on Amazon, Walmart, CVS. Yes, CVS has a bunch of nails too. You can also go to like your beauty supply store. Like we have a beauty supply store and it's like literally a whole wall of nails. So I'm going to show you guys how I put my nails on, the type of glue I use, and the type of like materials I use to like keep them nice and, you know, looking good. So today I'm going to be using this. What color is this? So this is Gel Glam and it's a pink color. I don't know if you can see it. Great. Okay. Come on, lighting. Get it together. We're going to do this. And then I'm going to zoom in. Yep. You see that? You see that? Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yes. Actually, first, let me show you the supplies. So you have the nail clip here. There is a glue that comes with it. I do not use the glue that comes with the nail. This is the glue that comes with it. This is trash. Now, I use this glue as backup. My actual nail glue that I use, you can buy a pack of them from Amazon. It's called Kayla. I don't know how to pronounce it. Super nail glue. Okay. So you can buy this on Amazon. Literally, I bought them on like a pack of 10 because I knew I'm going to use them. And I keep some of them in my purse, some of them in my other purse. Some of them at home. Like, I keep it everywhere because you never know. You never know when you're going to need it. And I keep one in my wallet, too, because you don't want to be out and about and you having fun and then your nail pop off, you know. That's not cute. I also bought this little, I don't know if anyone in the comments know what this thing is called, but it's like you like pull out like the skin out of your cuticles, you know. I bought the Nail Salon acrylic like nail clipper. I think that's the name. And you see how it's round? So it's made for, you know, false nails and to cut it even. So this is so helpful. I also have nail filers, you know, to shape my nails. I have 2 of them. So this one has like a certain type of material. And I need to figure out the names of, like, there's different types of nail filers. And this one works so good. Like, when I file it, it makes it hella short like this. Like, you don't have to keep filing over and over again. And then this one, I just kind of use it to soften my, like, the tip of my nails. I have oil. So this is Model 1. Let me see. Can y'all, there we go. Oh. This is the brand. This actually came with a pedicure set because I bought a gel pedicure set for my toes. That's going to be another video. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Also, we have the acetone. This acetone is good for nail polish, gel polish, artificial nails, glitter polish, and nail glue. So for this one, I like to soak it a little bit sometimes, or you can just put it on a cotton ball and just, you know, wipe it off of your, you know, just as usual, like a nail polish remover. I got this one from Amazon, so I would definitely be leaving this link. All of everything that I use, I will leave the link in the comments. Okay, so let's get into it. So first thing first, obviously make sure you know you wipe off all your nails. You want to obviously have clean, fresh. You're gonna take a cotton ball or whatever, tissue, whatever you use. You want to wipe your nails, make sure it's clean. We're gonna take our real nails and we're gonna go ahead and trim it down to make it even, so that when you have your fake nails on, your real nails, once you start to grow, you don't want it to grow too much, you know? So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and file them. And now I'm going to take this one and file my actual nail bed. So now, I forgot to put this showcase view, but I bought this from Amazon and I used it to separate my nails according to the numbers. So it's from 0 to 9. Now, I do have a couple of nails that I bought the kits where it's ended at like number 11. So the 9th one has 9 through like 11 or 12. But this makes it so much easier. So we're gonna go ahead and open the pack up. So this is supposed to be to like do your cuticles. You can use this if you want to, but I have my own. This is the one that I use. This was the one that came with the pedicure kit. And I just basically, like, you just use this to just kind of open up your cuticles a little. You see how it looks? It's just basically opened up my cuticles. So that's kind of what you want it to look like. So now, what we're also going to do, you want to take your nail and you want to fit them to see which one is the best fit. And once you figure out which one is the best fit, you're going to look at the number. There's going to be a number right here. You probably can't see it on camera, but you want to keep track of it, of the number that you're going to use. So that's why I have this, so that you don't need to do that. It's already organized. Of course, the ones that are like 10, 11, 12, I mean, obviously you have to kind of fit those, but everything else is already organized. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and fit and see which numbers matches my fingers and go from there. Now they're nice and clean, and we're going to take this glue and we're just going to, I like to do one dip and then glue them on. So yeah. So now that they're glued on, me personally, I do not like long nails. That's just my preference. But if you do like long nails, obviously you don't really have to do much to them. But for me, I like to cut them down and trim them. So what I'm gonna do is we have this. Oops, not the way. We have the acrylic nail shaper. I don't know, you can, there you go. And we're going to cut my nails, and after that, I am going to trim it. So. All right, now we're gonna wash our hands. Now the hands are nice and washed. And the next thing you're going to do, you're gonna take this oil and and you're just gonna and there you have it. All right, and I'm all done. There you have it. I have my beautiful nails, okay, and it was only $5.99, okay? So this is what you call balling on a budget. I like my nails short. I just like them to look a little bit natural. And these actually last for about a week. What I do like to do, I like to carry a bunch of the mini glue that I use. This super glue, keep it with you, like in your bag, in your wallet, wherever at work, so that whenever like you feel like it's starting to lift up, you can always pop it off, glue it, boom, and you're set. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully you guys like my video. I'll also leave links below of the different products that I use, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.